Okay, so this part of 2-7 lesson, simplifying radicals, is really important because it talks about how to get a list of factors in the calculator. And this is going to save you a lot of time. Because before, if I wanted to get factors of, let's say, 48, I would sit here and I would be going 48 divided by 2. Okay, so 2 and 24 are factors because 2 times 24 gives me 48. Okay. What about 3? 48 divided 3. Oh, yeah. So 3 and 16 are another set of factors because when I multiply them, they give me 48. Oops. 48 divided 4. And so I would just keep going and going. And you can see how this can become a little bit time consuming, especially if, like, on one of your homework assignments, I think in the last lesson, I asked you to find the factors of 144. There's a lot of numbers that can go into 144, and that's going to take a lot of time with guessing and checking in the calculator. So what I'm going to show you here is going to save you a lot of time in that aspect. So if I wanted to get the factors of 144, I'm going to go up to the top and click on where it says y equals. And this brings up this little y equals menu, and I've got like 10 or 9 different things I can plug in. So I'm going to plug in 144 is the number I'm looking for factors of. So I'm going to do 144 divided by. And the divided by makes sense because when I was playing around with the calculator earlier, I kept doing, 48 divided by 2, 48 divided by 3, 48 divided. So the divide by makes sense. We're seeing what can go into it to multiply back. And we just wanted it to try all of the numbers. So next to the alpha button, below the mode button, I'm going to click this variable button. It has x, t, theta, and n. So I'm putting in there 144 divided by x. Then I could go to second and hit the graph button so it takes me to a table. And boom, I've got a table of factors here. So what this tells me with the x and the y is that I can do 144, 2 and 72, 3 and 48, 4 and 36. I'm ignoring the 5 and 28.8 because that's not a whole number. Excuse me, I just had breakfast. So I'm ignoring the decimal ones, but there's 6 and 24, ignoring that one because it's got decimals, 8 and 18, 9 and 16, and there's even more. I can continue scrolling. Oh, there's 12 and 12, ignoring because of decimals. And here, notice, it starts to take me back then. I knew that 9 and 16 were already factors because up here I had 9 and 16. So you wouldn't have to continue scrolling because they're all just going to show up again like they did up here. See, there's that same 8 and 18. So let's jot that down. How to get a list of factors in the calculator. So first thing you're going to do is, you're going to go to y equals, hit the y equals button. You're going to make sure it's cleared out. If there's anything in there, just hit clear. And then you're going to put in the number you want factors of divided by x. So for example, we did 144 divide x. Then you're going to hit the second button and hit the graph button because the graph button, is really actually the table button after you hit that second button. And then just a little reminder that you are looking for the whole number pairs only. And that's just because that's as far as we're going to get in algebra, baby steps. Okay, so that is how you get a list of factors in the calculator. So one more time for just a quick example here. I am going to y equals, if there's something already in there, clearing it out. Let's say I want factors of 256, divide by, that next to the alpha button, that xt, little 0 with a line through it, n, second, and table. And again, only looking at the whole number ones. So nice little shortcut for you.